Alli, Barlow Creations, Crafting on a Budget. In today's video, I am bringing to you a Dollar Tree DIY spring decor piece. This piece turned out really great and I am really excited about it. You can get everything that you need for this piece at the Dollar Tree. So let's jump into it and let me show you what all I picked up for this decor piece.
For this spring decor piece, I picked up one bag of this reindeer moss, one bunch of baby's breath, 2 packs of this green floral wire, some floral foam, 4 packs of these butterflies, this glass candle holder, and this wood washi tape. I'm going to start this project off with the floral wire that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and using my wire cutters, I'm going to cut 7 different size pieces of wire, ranging from 9 inches to 4 inches, because I want varying sizes for this project. Using the wood washi tape that I hauled last month from the Dollar Tree that I was so stinking excited to find, I'm going to roll it out and lay it flat, sticky side up. I'm going to take my floral wire pieces and lay it in the middle of the washi tape and just simply fold the washi tape over the wire to cover it. Giving me the look of a stick. Then I'm just going to trim up some of the tape, making it a bit neater where it didn't completely line up. An alternative to using the washi tape would be to paint your floral wire or to find a floral wire color that you're happy with. Now taking the glass candle holder and these round floral foams, I'm going to hot glue the floral foam down onto the glass candle holder. I'm then going to hot glue down the reindeer moss to the floral foam, covering it completely. Once you hot glue the reindeer moss down, if you take an aerosol hairspray and spray down the reindeer moss, it'll help keep those pieces that didn't get glued down together. So if you move your piece from place to place, you don't have reindeer moss falling off all over the place. Then taking the floral wire that I covered with the wood washi tape, I'm going to place a bit of hot glue on the end of it and push it down through the reindeer moss into the floral foam. I'm going to do this with all of the floral wire sticks that I made, randomly placing them throughout the reindeer moss. Now for the butterflies. Each of the butterflies comes with some sort of a clip or wire. I'm going to remove these. They come off really easily. And I'm going to do this to all of my butterflies. Now taking my hot glue, I'm going to place them on the bottom of the butterfly and place them on the top of the sticks, giving the illusion that the butterfly has just landed on these wood sticks. And I thought the perfect finishing touch to this butterfly spring decor piece would be just a touch of these white baby's breath flowers that the Dollar Tree carries. I picked up one bundle. I'm going to remove them from the stem so there's just the flowers. And I'm going to take and place just a bit of hot glue on the end of the flowers and stick them again through the reindeer moss into the foam. And there you have it, a spring decor piece that is fun and is just a bit different than anything else. I love pieces like that.
Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for this butterfly display piece. I love the way this turned out, and I think this is such a fun piece to add to the spring decor of your home during this time of year. And the best part is it is so budget friendly and easy to do. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. And don't forget, if I've inspired you to make one of my projects, snap a quick picture, send it to me on either Facebook or Instagram because I love seeing all of your creations and I can feature them in an upcoming video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day, happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.